Greetings, respected as the partner and lecturer. We are from Group 3 and today we're gonna present about the research methodology seminar reflection that our team member has Cao Lê Kế Số, Lee Kim Heng, Liên Sư Minh, Heng Xuan Riek, and me, Wei David. So about the seminar session, we choose the seminar number 7 and 8 and the topic 1 is about plug and play Innovate Company Accelerator Program. Topic two is if AI does the work, what do designer do? So let's move on to the first topic is Plug and Play Innovate Company Accelerator. The speaker is Ms. Pisay Liang and Mr. Rabulon. The date is on Wednesday, April 29, 2026. The seminar overview is the seminar is introduced the Innovate Company Accelerator program that a startup led by Plug and Play, what is the world's largest innovation platform. The main objective of this seminar is to explain how startup accelerators support innovation, to share opportunity for Cambodian entrepreneurs and startups, explain on global partnership. Now let's move on to the main key insight. The main key insight one is that global opportunity for startup. That Cambodia is the part of global innovation network. The startup can access to the international market, so it means that it's not limited to selling our product and service only in Cambodia, but we also selling it in the international market. Opportunity to collaborate with the global partnership and experts and also networking is essential for business success. The main key takeaway from this key insight is that global connection help startup grow faster. It's make our startup and entrepreneurs more competitive in the global association. Moving on to the second main key insight is that startup need more than idea. So having an innovation idea is very important in startup, but we also need mentorship from the experienced professional. We need to practical more on workshop to improve our business knowledge and fundraising and networking support are available. And the main key insight is that success requirement both technical and business skill. The last but not least is that um, innovation play an important role in Cambodia development. The seminar explained that supporting startup encourage entrepreneurship and innovation idea become real business and train Cambodia innovation ecosystem as more startup success. They also create new jobs and contribute to the country economic growth. My final key takeaway is that innovation is not only beneficial for startup but also support Cambodia long-term economic system. So now let's move on to our teammate. He will present about the analysis and reflections from this seminar.
For analysis, this seminar focuses on the importance of innovation and entrepreneurship, motivate us to pursue future opportunity in technology and innovation, gain a better understanding of startup development and business growth, realize that success requires mentorship, networking, and continuous learning. For the reflection, the seminar motivates us to keep learning new skills and technologies, develop a more innovative mindset. We realize that success comes from continuous learning, collaboration, and seeking guidance from experience. Overall, this seminar encourages us to keep learning, build valuable connections, and prepare for the future opportunity in technology and entrepreneurship. So move on to my friend.
Today, I would like to present on a topic that is becoming increasingly for our industry. If AI does the work, what do designers do? This presentation is based on insight from Mrs. Shi Copley, who is the global head of design studio in BP in Melbourne, Australia. The seminar is show that we are looking at the very near future of the design world and how we need to prepare for it. Moving on to the seminar overview. In this session, we cover three main polar. First, we discussed how AI is changing the design industry. It's shifting from being just a tool to being a collaborator. And the second is we explain the role of designer in modern business. As AI take over production, designers are become more strategic. And the third is we focus on the skill needed for the future. We look at what humans need to learn to stay relevant alongside this new technology. And then let's look at the what AI can do. The capability are impressive. AI can now generate UI design and wireframe almost instantly. It can write UX content, helping with the copy side of our app. It can create visual concept and significantly speed up design work. However, I want to emphasize the key point at the bottom of the slide. While AI is fantastic at helping with design tasks, the execution part, it cannot replace human thinking. It doesn't have empathy or strategic vision. That is where the true value of the designer remains.
Right. The speaker also mentioned about design beyond screen. So design is not just about screen prototype or design set. It's also about understanding the user problem, making thoughtful decision, and keep improving product based on the user need and user feedback. So designing is more than creating visual. Next, the seminar also discussed about how design is working within the product team. So every member have different responsibility, but they are working toward to the same goal. For the product manager, they focus what should be built by understanding the user need and the understanding about the business goal. For designer, focus on the user experience and ensure that the product is accessible, intuitive, and enjoy to use. For the engineer, at decide how to build a system for the product by turning an idea into a working system. So this made me realize that creating the successful product comes from the teamwork. So collaboration is really essential in the development process. And another interesting topic is how AI can change the way designers work. AI can generate the idea, can create the prototype more quickly, and automate the repetitive tasks. So, um, yes, and the speaker also emphasized that AI cannot replace human. AI don't have emotion and don't have the empathy or critical thinking. So that's why designer have to evaluate the solution, understand the user need, the user pain point, and make an informed decision. And next, I will move to my team member for the next part.
So in this seminar, we see that the AI nowadays can design many tasks and also help the designer design and work more efficiently. But however, the designer is still important because they're the one that understand user solving problem and making decision, which AI cannot do that on its own. And we learned that design is more than just creating screen. It also improves the products and supporting business goal. And AI can be a useful tool, but they don't have a human skill like empathy, critical thinking, something like that. So overall, this seminar helped us better understand the value of the designer and how their role is still continue in the age of AI. And that's all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.